Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. This is Geeta. 24 men can complete a work in 16 days. 32 women can complete the same work in 24 days. 16 men and 16 women started working and worked for 12 days. How many more men had to be added to complete the remaining work in 2 days? So from the first sentence we know that 24 men can complete work in 16 days. So we have to find for one man, which is equals x days. So since the number of person working is decreased, the days will increase. Therefore, one man will complete the work in 16 into 24. 16 into 24. So which is equals 384 days. Therefore, man's 1 day work equals inverse of this 1 by 384. From the second sentence, 32 women can complete the same work in 24 days, which is 32 women complete the work in 24 days. Therefore, we have to find for one woman, which is equals x. So again, the number of person working is decreased and the days will increase. Therefore, we have to multiply these two. So which is 1 woman equals 24 into 32. So which is equals 768. Therefore, women's 1 day work equals inverse of this 1 by 768. Now from the next sentence, 16 men and 16 women started working and worked for 12 days. That is 16 men, which is 16 into men's 1 day work is 1 by 384. And so it's plus 16 women, that is 16 into women's 1 day work is 1 by 768 started working and worked for 12 days. So they both worked for 12 days into 12. So from here this can be done by two ways. I'll show the first method here. We have to simplify this. So it is 16 by 384 and here it is 768. So this can be simplified. Two tables, 2 8 times is 16 and 2 3 times is 6, 7, 2 8 times is 16 and 2 4 times is 8. So simplifying this, 16 by 384 plus 8 by 384 whole into 12. So 16 plus 8 is 24 by 384 into 12. Simplifying everything, which is 2 12 times is 24, 2 1 times is 2, 3, 2 9 times is 18, 2 2 times is 4, 2 6 times is 12, 2 9 times is 18, 19, 2 6 times is 12. So 6 1 times 6, 6 1 times 6, 7 8 9, 3. So 6 6 times is 36. So again here 12 by 16. So simplifying this, 4 tables, 4 3 times is 12, 4 4 times is 16. So the answer is 3 by 4, which means they have completed 3 by 4th of a work. So the remaining work will be 1 minus 3/4 of a work will be equal to quarter of a work. So to complete this quarter of a work, how many men has to be added? So this can be found from this. So 16 plus x. So x number of men has to be added to complete the work in 2 days. So 16 plus x by 384 plus men. Women is 16 by 768. 16 by 768 into 2 days to complete the remaining quarter of a work 1 by 4. So we can simplify this to find the answer, which is 16 plus x by 384. Again here it is 2 tables. 2 8 times is 16. 2 384 is 768. So plus 8 by 384 into 2 equals 1 by 4. So again here it is 16 plus x plus 8 divided by 384 into 2 equals 1 by 4. So simplifying this to 1 times 2, 3, 9, 2 times is 4. So which is 16 plus x plus 8 equals 192 goes up here, which is 192 divided by 4. Simplifying this for 1 times, 4 times is 16, 7, 8, 19. 4 8 times is 32. So again here it is x equals 48 minus 16 goes this side, 8 goes this side, minus, so which is x equals 24. That is, the number of men required more to complete the work in 2 days is 24. The same problem can also be done in a different method. I'll show you it in the next video. Thanks for watching. If you have any doubts, please let me know in the comments.